Shukran Festival 2023. Your day of fun begins. The first, but definitely not the last, for our community here in the United Arab Emirates. Families and friends gathered in a beautifully decorated venue that reflected the spirit of gratitude and unity.
Saan ang second home nyo?
Thank you, UAE, for opening your doors and hearts to us. You've not just been a home, you have been a haven of growth, opportunity, and friendship.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. Kamusta po kayo? I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your incredible efforts and achievements. Your hard work and resilience shine bright, making us proud. Let us continue to support one another, fostering a spirit of unity. Thank you for your enriching our community with your unwavering spirit. Mabuhay ang ating komunidad.
The first Shukran Festival here in the UAE, in Dubai specifically. And indeed, you know, it is, I think, a very worthy event, no, or initiative. For indeed, we have a lot to be thankful for. Shukran, that's the first word almost every one of us learned when upon arriving here in the UAE, di ba? Shukran. And up to now, sure everyone's grateful and thankful for the hope we have here in the UAE and how the UAE government, the UAE have been kind and welcoming to us.
As the sun began to warm the day, the courts came alive with the sound of sneakers squeaking onto polished surface. The crowd cheered, waved, and encouraged their favorite teams, creating an electric atmosphere. The games were not just a showcase of athletic process, but also a celebration of unity and cultural pride. Between the games, the aroma of Filipino cuisine traveled through the air as food stalls offered an array of traditional dishes, fostering a sense of home and community in a foreign land. Colorful performances, musical numbers took center stage, celebrating the talent and vibrancy of the Filipino community. What a way to celebrate with our favorite actors from the Filipino channel! Gerald Anderson showcased a combination of skill, strategy, teamwork, and a deep passion for the game. And Barbie Imperial showered us love with her singing and dancing. Surrounded by the smiles of the people, we reflect on the surprises, laughter, and unforgettable moments that have made this day an extraordinary celebration of joy, love, and the unexpected. United Arab Emirates, your generosity, your spirit, and your embrace have made a mark on our journey. For that, we are truly grateful. Thank you for being more than just a place on the map. Shukran.